Hey people, it's Julia here, back with another video. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back and I'm here to stay and I'm feeling motivated and I'm so excited for this video. I'm pretty much yelling. So this video is DIY Crayola makeup versus Crayola's beauty that they actually made. So we're gonna see if my DIY version can compete with their factory made quality. I don't know which is better, but we're gonna find out. Haven't even tested either of them. So this is like a review and a versus video all in one. Let's just go into the DIY and I'm gonna show you how I made this. All right, it's Editing Julia here. So this is what you're gonna need for the makeup DIY. So we're gonna take a spoonful of coconut oil and then we're gonna rip off the wrapper of the crayon, put half of that in the bowl and then light a candle, put it on top. The candle thing, you could do a microwave. I did a candle once it's going so fast, oh my gosh. Okay, well now we're doing a red crayon and we're putting half of the crayon in there and then we're lighting the candle again. Like I said, you can use a stove if you want, and then we're pouring it into the container and we're doing it again with another color. This color I actually kind of mixed and matched to make the perfect like orangey, like pinkish reddish color, salmon color, I don't know. Also heating it up with the candle, pouring it in the container. Now we're doing yellow, blue, purple, every color in this palette, brown, black, and white. And there you go, the finished makeup. Here's the store-bought makeup, and here is my version. Now you guys know how I made this little DIY cream Crayola makeup palette. If you want to see how I make any other Crayola makeup products, you can click the I. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and turn the post notifications on. Give this video a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know your favorite color or crayon color or whatever. I like this purple right here a lot, but Tiffany blue is always my favorite color. All right, now for the real test, we gotta compare and contrast. Swatch these palettes and decide which is better.
A few moments later.
So these are the swatches, guys. My arm is literally a palette at this point. Cut to close-ups of the swatches because like I really can't show my arm that well. Anyway, as you can see, the reds, both pretty pigmented. My red's a little bit more like fire engine red. The pinks, very similar, good job with pigmentation. I used a crayon. I don't know if they're using a crayon to make these or if they're just trying to make it like look like crayon color or crayon consistency, but I think they both did a good job of pigmentation. My two like orangey pinks, those were actually very spot on with the color, but Crayola brand's pigmentation just a smidge bit better. Our yellows, totally the same in pigmentation. Each consistency was perfect on that one. Then the blues, I think mine was a little bit more pigmented if you ask me. My purple was a little less pigmented and their purple was a little bit more. Our browns, both spot on. Okay, let's talk about the blacks for a second. Their black was just not pigmented enough. I don't know who let them sell that black. I don't even know if they used a crayon for that one because my black was just way more pigmented and I was shook that they would give a black that's just like no pigmentation. I don't understand. Hello, honey, like your black was not black enough for me. Anyway, I think both of our whites was just as good. Those were the swatches. Jesus, now my arm is like a freaking rainbow. I want to see how it actually looks on my face. We're gonna do half my face with my DIY and then the other half with their product, but their actual palette says it's a customizable lip palette. And when I originally made these in my first Crayola makeup video, I made these as cream eyeshadows, but the way I made the cream eyeshadow is very similar to the way I actually made my Crayola lipstick, which you can click the eye to see if you want to know how to make that. So I mean, I'm just gonna use them all over my face and just see like where they work better on the face, and we'll just compare and contrast. Also, this palette is vegan, so no animals were harmed in the making of either of these.
Check out this Crayola beauty palette.
So we're gonna be starting with the Crayola factory made palette first on this side of my face. Let's do my eyes first. The shadows, I mean, as I said before, the colors were made for your lip, but I'm sure we can do like a cool glossy lid. Try it out. I'm gonna be taking this flat shader brush and we're gonna go into the yellow. We're gonna take this color on the other side of the shader brush and we're gonna just place that in the crease. Whoa, this is very pigmented. I'm just putting some of my bottom lash line to even things out. So now we're gonna move on to contour. They don't have a highlight color, obviously. So we're gonna use this brown as a contour. Probably just gonna use my fingers to contour because I do that all the time. We're gonna do some blush. We're gonna use this pretty like pink toned color and this stippling brush, and we're gonna the last thing we're gonna do is lips. So I have a little bit of tinted chapstick on. I'm just gonna wipe that ish off. What color should I put on my lips? We're gonna do the bright pink on my lips. I'm just gonna use my fingers. I love how my lips naturally have like lines in the middle, so I can kind of just follow those.
Check out my DIY palette.
So we're gonna do the same colors on the DIY side so we can really compare and contrast. First, we're gonna do the yellow on the lids. Then we're gonna take this orangey peach color in the crease. And then we're gonna run the orange across the lash line. Now we're gonna move on to contour. Now to blend. Now we're gonna take my little stipply brush and take this pinkish toned rose pink, dusty rose color for my blush. Moving on to lips. Mine is definitely less pigmented than theirs, but mine is also a lot more glossy and theirs is a lot more matte. So I feel like mine's more of almost like a tinted lip balm. Wait, you guys, I totally forgot eyeliner. What? Okay, we're gonna just do eyeliner real quick. I'm gonna try this crappy black. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to judge it, but mine is just so much better, okay? Oh, not that bad. Yeah. Now for the DIY liner. The liner. Oh yeah, this stuff is real good. And there we go. That's what we were missing. Wow, that was really good. So now this is the real finished look. So on this side we have Crayola's actual beauty palette, and then on this side we have my DIY palette. Comment down below which side do you think is better and which would you spend your money on? Crayola's already made beauty palette or the DIY version where you make your own crayon palette? Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn the post notifications on so you never miss another one of my videos. I post every Saturday, starting from this point forward, and give this video a big thumbs up if you like makeup, you like crayons, you like DIYs, because that's some stuff that we do on this channel right here. And I will either see you in my next video on Saturday, or you can click my previous video at the end if you just can't get enough of my face. Okay, love you guys so much. Heart, bye.